All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master. Today we're going to talk about rebranded tools. Now specifically we're talking about tools that are rebranded from one manufacturer to a tool truck, not internal rebranding, i.e. Baco rebranded Snap-on, DeWalt rebranded Mac. We're talking about literal tools that are rebranded as being made by XYZ. We got to talk about them. The mountain wrenches. These are got to be one of the most rebranded tools on the planet. You know, they're put out as Platinums, they're put out as Matco, they're put out as EZRED. They're all made at the Cobra plant. They're all the identical thing except what's engraved on them. All right, so these mountain wrenches you can buy on Amazon for $279. Are the exact same ones you can buy with Matco tools for $375. Now this one surprised me a little bit. Matco Master Fuel Pressure Tester. I have this kit. It's currently $689.95 from Matco. Is $715 from the OEM. Apparently they're making more of a margin than Matco is, which I thought was rather surprising. It's a good kit. I've had no problems with it over the years other than a couple hoses breaking and I had to replace the gauge, but surprisingly it's cheaper on Matco than the ODM. Everything OTC is going to be rebranded by somebody. Obviously it's cheaper to buy it directly from who made it for most cases. Their connected ball joint kit, I've done a review on this tool. It's excellent. It's very competitive with the Snap-on system. Make sure you get the professional kit. Ouch. But that is the identical kit, just rebranded Matco. I'm picking on Matco. They're probably the worst one for that kind of stuff. OTC cylinder leakage tester kit for $100 on Amazon or $204.99 with a different case. All right, so Matco has these pry bar 4-piece set for $262. Those are made by Mayhew, and you can get a 5-piece set with the longer bar for $104 on Amazon. They're the exact same tools except different handles. I'll pick on Matco again. Hyperstep drill bits. These are made by Astro. Astro calls them Onyx Turbo Step High-Speed Reduced Shank Mechanics Length Drill Bits. Comparatively, $162.99 versus $398.95. Astro currently does not have the Cobalt version of it. You can buy the exact same drill bits. The only difference is warranty will be whatever Astro is. I'm not quite sure on the warranty. Neck light from Matco. It is a rebranded EZRED. $2309 versus $69.95. Now I'm picking on Matco simply because it's easy. Every tool manufacturer out there does the same stuff, just different products. Now this is just the first list, so there'll be more coming on this series. But yeah, lots of rebranded tools. So hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.